hold the helm when the sea is calm. But my today's guest took over during heavy storms. She is a true leader, a great teacher, and an amazing author. Her work titled Smart Book got sold for 5 lakh copies without any marketing. I'm extremely delighted to welcome Mrs. Maria Vaz, Principal Srimati L.B. Joshi English High School and Junior College.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you for the lovely introduction. It was great to hear about something like that. Yeah. Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are honored to have you here and we thank you for accepting our invitation for the same.
Same here, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah.
So, ma'am, before we begin, I would like to tell you that we'll keep this interview in Hindi and English sort of.
Yes.
So as to reach to the maximum of viewers.
Of course.
Sure. So, as we begin, ma'am, पहले हम आपके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे और आप इस नोबल करियर में, एजुकेशन में आप कैसे आए?
मैं छोटी थी तभी मुझे कुछ समझ में वगैरह नहीं आता था. मैं पहली बार इंडिया आई थी. I wasn't born here. I was in Kuwait. Okay, then I became an Indian. I changed my nationality. And then I had a lot of difficulties. I landed up in the south, that is in Mangalore, and I wouldn't know Kannada. I had to learn all that thing, and I learned. I can say I started teaching my own self. फिर मुझे लगा जैसे जैसे जर्नी इजी होते गए तो फिर मैंने लगा कि मुझे तो कुछ तो अलग करना चाहिए. I have to be something different. I have to reach each and everybody. So gradually, when I got to 7th standard वगैरह तभी मैं 7th में थी तो 10वीं के बच्चों को पढ़ाती थी. I used to sit and teach them in the boarding. I was in hostel, I used to sit with them. And then I was in a convent school, of course. Then nuns, sisters जो है, उन्होंने मुझे क्या बोलते हैं इंचार्ज बनाया था. 7 बच्चे मेरे नीचे used to study with me, under my guidance. And that's how slowly I think so that started imbibing in me. And then I must have desired a thought, let me be somebody different. If I have to change each and everything, the change has to begin right from within. So I started changing. I said, I'll be a teacher so that I can teach masses. That is the best profession I felt. To reach the masses is to be a teacher. And to bring the change, what you want to see within the world is through teaching. So that's how I landed in this profession.
Wow, ma'am. Everyone, I mean, teaching is definitely an art. It drives me out when I teach my 3-year-old also.
मैं मस्ती की पाठशाला में मानती हूँ. मस्ती करके सिखाती हूँ. I believe in that. मस्ती की पाठशाला ना वो फंडा फॉलो करती.
Okay, sure. I'll try that too, ma'am. I'll try that too. Masti with my kids. I don't know how it's going to be, but I'll try.
Yeah. देखिए, मस्ती करके पढ़ाइए उनके साथ. डांस वांस करके पढ़ाइए. फटक से पढ़ लेते वो लोग.
Sure. So, ma'am, going ahead, हमको पेरेंट्स को, हमारे व्यूअर्स को ज्यादातर लगता है कि हमको हमारे स्कूल के बारे में पता है. We know our school very well. But फैक्ट ये है कि हम जानना चाहेंगे आपके लेंस से कि आपका स्कूल क्या है. What is the vision you carry for the children?
मेरा विजन जो है ना, मेरे बच्चे, all my students are my own children. मेरा वो है तो मैं उनको ऐसा बनाना चाहती हूँ. That's my vision, is they grow from learners to leaders. I believe in nurturing them. एक पौधा जो होता है, tiny seed जो होती है, उसको हम लोग कैसे पानी डाल के खाद डाल के उगाते हैं ना, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं मेरे बच्चे जो भी मेरे पास आए मैं उनको वैसे बनाना चाहती हूँ. और इतना I want to teach them. We all of us are human beings. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं उनके अंदर ऐसे गुण inculcate करूँ कि they learn to they learn what is being human. That is the thing. Being human, right from small age. You have to teach them that. That is what I believe. I want to nurture them and I want them to bloom and grow and touch the sky and to be, and to touch each and every, what you can say, the ends of the earth. Let them go through towards all the ends of the earth and spread out like anything, and they grow from learners to leaders.
Wow, ma'am, that's really a lovely thought. because making them future leaders is what every parent dream of.
Yes. Yes.
So,
लीडर
what
ऐसा
is
नहीं होना चाहिए कि ओनली यू सिट इन योर प्लेस एंड यू सिट एंड स्टार्ट गाइडिंग, वही लीडर नहीं होता है हर जगह पे, यू नो, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ लीडरशिप एज सच.
Yeah. So, ma'am, what is one unique thing that you would like to tell our viewers about your school?
The unique thing about our school is our 360 degree approach. वो जो है उसको कहते हैं, सब जन जानते हैं, but I believe in imparting education via our 360 degree approach, wherein, you know, we are going to not only see what is that only studies या book, बच्चा बुक लेके बैठेगा, लिखेगा, पढ़ेगा, वैसा नहीं होगा हमारे यहाँ पढ़ाई. हमारे यहाँ ऐसी होने वाली है पढ़ाई कि, you know, we will touch each and everything, छोटी छोटी चीजों को. जैसे कि समझो बच्चा जो है, शी इज गुड इन सिंगिंग, आई विल एनकरेज हर सिंगिंग, उसका सिंगिंग एनकरेज करूंगी, चलो उसमें उसको कुछ बना दूंगी. या कोई कोई बच्चा बोलने में होशियार है, तो उसको उसके लिए यू नो आई विल क्या बोलते हैं, आई विल एनकरेज हर, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एनकरेज करूंगी. चलो आप उसमें होशियार है तो उसके ऊपर हम लोग और एफर्ट डालते हैं. और ऐसा नहीं है कि बाकी की चीजें पीछे रह जाएंगे. जिधर, यू नो, wherever she is lacking, I will see what way I can enter into that child. कैसे मैं उसको ग्रूम करूंगी ताकि उसमें भी वो she can come up in that also. That is what I believe in.
So
that is
every
what
child
is about my school is my 360 degree approach. That is the funda that I want to follow. I follow and I will always follow.
So if I put up that every child passing from Srimati L.B. Joshi English High School and Junior College will be able to stand on his own feet when he passes out, he or she, right?
Of course.
You are making them self-reliant and independent.
Of course. एकदम ऐसे independent बनाएंगे कि the child will able to be able to come out of each and every situation they will face. As we think that education is only IQ. वैसा नहीं होता. Education EQ भी होता है. Emotional quotient, which is lacking today. है ना? तो हम हमारे बच्चों को IQ और EQ दोनों चीज के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके उनको ऐसे भेजेंगे बाहर. कैसे चेस होता है, चेस गेम कैसे होता है, so you have to use your brains to get out of it, ना? ऐसे. So this is like chess. I believe in that. IQ and EQ.
That's so lovely thought, ma'am, that आप बच्चों को, you know, think differently, ये सिखा रहे हो. अपने आप हर सिचुएशन से निकलो, इसकी तैयारी करवा रहे हो. That's so beautiful.
Of course, बीट के साथ न चलो, बीट से अलग होकर अपना रास्ता ढूंढो.
Yes, great, ma'am. So we'll move ahead to our next section, and now we would like to know from you, ma'am, एक क्वेश्चन जो हम सभी को हॉन्ट करता है. अभी हम हमारे बच्चों को बॉयज स्कूल में डाले, गर्ल्स स्कूल में डाले या कोएड में डाले, क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है बच्चे पे इस तरीके से पढ़ने में?
मेरे हिसाब से the right school is a co-ed school. The need of the hour is there should be co-ed school. The boys and the girls should grow together. That is what I believe, and I will always believe, and I will always vouch on it. The reason being gender equality. Gender equality एक विषय है, wherein for me, boys and girls are equal. Gone are those days, you know, the boy is or the man is what you can say, everything, and lady has to be behind. Nahin. For me, equality, gender equality. So it should be co-education. Then there will be more care, more respect, more love, more of understanding, isn't it?
Yeah, right, ma'am.
Yeah, so co-education is the need of the hour, and it is the best education, best what you can say, way of teaching, wherever schooling, I mean say, co-education is the best schooling.
Okay, so that's a good take for our viewers, that co-ed education is going to help the children going ahead to be, you know, face each other well, to know each other well, to have respect for each other. So that's a good take again, to have a co-ed education for our children, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, going ahead, we would like to ask you, ma'am, if you are given an opportunity to speak to the government directly, मतलब अगर आपको बताना हो गवर्नमेंट को कि आप क्या इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो एजुकेशन सिस्टम में या टीचिंग प्रोफेशन के बारे में या फिर हमारे स्कूल्स के बारे में, तो वो क्या होगा?
The thing is, I would like to be एजुकेशन सिस्टम में, तो पहली बात तो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बनना चाहती हूँ। एक दिन के लिए तो चलेगा, मुझे एक दिन के लिए बनूं तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन वो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर जब बनूंगी ना एक दिन के लिए, उस दिन में सारे जो जितने भी टीचिंग फील्ड में है उनके लिए पहले एक आई विल राइट वन अमेंडमेंट ओवर देयर स्टेटिंग दैट फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट द टीचर्स शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज the topmost in the society, because the teachers are the ones who create the other professions. अगर टीचर्स नहीं होते थे तो आपको साइंटिस्ट नहीं रहते थे, एस्ट्रोनॉट्स नहीं रहते थे, है ना, एस्ट्रोनॉट्स नहीं रहते थे, डॉक्टर्स नहीं रहते थे, इंजीनियर्स नहीं रहते थे, लॉयर्स नहीं रहते थे, अकाउंटेंट्स नहीं रहते थे, या कोई कुछ नहीं बन पाता था। अगर वो टीचर ही जो है आपको एबीसीडी सिखा रही है स्टार्टिंग से, या अ आ ई या वट एवर दोज, आई मीन ऑल दोज लेटर्स 1 2 3 नंबर्स, उनके थ्रू ही तो आप जो भी हो आज हो। और टीचर कहाँ है आज पर? nowhere is to be seen. She's just teaching. I mean, she's never treated well. So I believe that I would change that amendment and put the teacher on the top list in the, what you can say, in India. She has to be treated well and the best. That would be my answer. That would be what I would want to do.
So you mean that there has to be an improvisation on the way teachers are looked up?
Yes.
Ma'am, like earlier, when we go back to the little Vedic times, it was like Guru hi Paramatma hai.
Yes. Guru Vishnu. Yeah. Guru Devo, Guru Param Brahma. आज किधर है टीचर फिर? The days are come, teacher has to go asking for fees so that she can be paid her salary. So where is the teacher now then? So that is what is hurting me. So the first and the foremost thing, the government of India should, it's high time, treat your teachers well. Because the teachers are the makers and the co-creators of the next generation, or the current, whatever it is, the current generation.
And we can definitely call it as a future nation also, not only the generation. You are the ones, those who are building the nation.
Of course, teachers are the nation builders.
Yeah.
बिना टीचर के सिवा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. Isn't it? Yeah.
So we'll try that this message reaches to the right ears, and this is being taken seriously. And we definitely wish you luck for being a future education minister. We look forward for that, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
आपने मुझे बताया एक बात कि आप हर बच्चे का एक टैलेंट को जो है आप निखार के ले लेते हो, जिसका सिंगिंग अच्छा है उसको सिंगर। तो आप अपने स्कूल में ऐसा पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग कैसे करते हो?
What I do is, मेरा ऐसा एक फंडा है, this is what I use, as soon as a class has come to me, या मैं टीचर्स को भी बोल देती हूँ, आप बच्चों को ABCD में डिवाइड करें। अभी A वाले बच्चे कैसे हैं? एकदम होशियार होते हैं। B वाले बच्चे कैसे होते हैं? नेक्स्ट होशियार। C वाले सैटिस्फैक्टरी है, D वालों को पुश चाहिए। अभी मैं क्या करूंगी, A वालों को और D वालों को साथ में बिठाएगी, B वालों को और C वालों को साथ में बिठाएगी, D वालों को A वालों के खींच के लेके आएंगे, B वालों C वालों को खींच के लेके आएंगे। लेकिन उन लोगों के ऊपर हमारा ग्रुप में सिस्टम में बिठा के, there will be a watch over them, and then we will give more love. Yes, you can do it. Today, in fact, we had a craft exhibition. After not craft exactly, it would be like social studies, science, and what is that? Social studies, science, and history, whatever it is. They were showing social studies, science, maths, everything, whatever they were showing the children. Then what happened? One child was nervous, one child was this. Then I said, come on, you can do it. Our teachers also said, yeah, see, you did it. You opened it and you show. If you cannot speak, just show what you have to do. The child immediately he did that, and that's how we push them.
Okay.
Isn't it? That's how we push them, and they come out of their shell. And after that thing was over, he was all smiles, that child. So he felt that he has achieved something, he has won something, isn't it? That is it,
Right.
what I want to say. So that's how I pull the children. Then we give them, we know that A and B will sit together, C and D will, A and C will sit together, and as I told you just now earlier, A and B and C will sit, and that's how we will make groups, and then we will go to each and every child, and then we come to know how to bring out that child of that whatever. Nothing is difficult, nothing is impossible. That is what I believe, and we can get them out of each and everything.
Yeah. So, as a teacher, you have a teaching experience of, I guess, more than 25 years.
Yes,
So,
yes.
so as a teacher, what are you most proud of accomplishing?
The most proud of what am I most proud of accomplishing is my children still remember me. Even if they'll see me from anywhere, even they have become big and some are married and they have children also, Maria ma'am, they'll come running. So then I feel I'm already a celebrity.
Okay,
Every
wow.
teacher is a celebrity.
So being remembered by your children is what is more rewarding to you.
Of course, that is my award. And whatever I am is because of my children. अगर मुझे बच्चे मेरे साथ मुझे मान नहीं देते थे या मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते तो मैं जो कुछ भी हूं आज नहीं बन सकती. दे हैव मेड मी द टीचर. वो एक होता है ना, क्या बोलते हैं, जब तक टिल यू डोंट हैव अ चाइल्ड यू आर नॉट अ पेरेंट. आर यू अ पेरेंट टिल देन? नो. एक बच्चा ही माँ बाप को जन्म देता है, वैसे ही स्टूडेंट्स ही टीचर को जन्म देती है. वो मैं मानती हूँ. मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ बच्चों की वजह से हूँ, मेरी स्टूडेंट्स के वजह से हूँ. दैट इज व्हाट आई बिलीव. व्हाट आई एम टुडे इज बिकॉज ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स.
Ma'am, this is again a very brilliant thought again, that it's kids that makes you.
Yes.
It's children that teaches you. You are taking it other way around. I'm not teaching them, they are teaching me.
Yes,
they are building me.
Every time from them, I watch them. Anywhere I go, I'll keep watching the children, how they behave, what they're doing. This is something beautiful. See, I learned something from them. I believe in that. Okay. I follow that.
So, ma'am, there must be some stressful situations also in front of you. आपके 28 years के career graph में कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ होगा जो आपको difficult गया होगा handle करने में. So, how did you come out of it?
मेरा तो सबसे difficult था ये pandemic. I think so that was the thing that was shaking me. But I just got out of it. I think so. What I would say is I dived in. I jumped right in. I said, let me see what is this. How am I going to come? First 1 or 2 days, I was a little bit, tensed. I will not say shaky. And it was a tough job. It was challenging and everything. But then I said, let me see how I can get out of this. First, what I did, March ending and April and May and right up till 22nd of June, I just dived in. I said, let me see how rough are the waters. मैं वो पानी में कूदी, सब जगह देखा. फिर I said, now it's time for my teachers to enter. फिर मैंने बोला, टीचर लोग तुम लोग चलो, हम साथ में इसको निपटा लेंगे. और आज today we are the winners. As what I believe is, I learned this song or whatever it is when I was small, or you can say it's like a short limerick or something as such. Whether the weather is hot or whether the weather is cold, whatever the weather, we will weather the weather, whether we like it or not. That's
beautiful, ma'am. So, ma'am, you, like a true leader, you ensured first the safety of yours.
Yes.
Then you ensured that my team is definitely going to come here, and with my confidence, I'm going to boost them to come and join the league.
Yes.
And now they are, I'm sure, highly energized and motivated to face up all the challenges.
Of course, everything. We are ready for each and everything.
Okay.
Online, offline, सब आता है अभी हम लोगों को.
Great. So this brings to me to the very interesting segment of the conversation, and that is my favorite, rapid fire, which you
Okay.
need to answer in one word. All right,
चलेगा.
ma'am? So, and we are all set. Now we start. If you have to characterize a great school principal with three words, which words you would choose?
Humility, dedication, passion.
Wow. Okay. Name a school principal you admire the most.
Sister Veron, my former principal.
Sister Veron. All right. Do you think yoga should be a daily practice in the school?
Yes, of course, yoga has to be a daily practice at the school. It's mandatory.
Technology in education is imperative. Do you agree?
Not so much, but it is necessary.
Okay. So, does marks really matters in life?
No, yes and no, both. Yes and no, because our education system demands it. And no, because a child is never defined by the marks that he gets.
This last answer puzzles me also. And on this note, I end my rapid fire section. But,
Okay.
ma'am, we would like to know something out of your routine, out of your course as a principal. What are the sports or hobbies you're involved in, and why do you enjoy them?
What I like, other than whatever this teaching and principal post and everything, other than that, I love to cook. क्योंकि उधर भी precision लगती है.
Well, I'm a foodie, ma'am.
Always you're welcome to my place or to my school. Rather, we'll have a session. I myself will cook and serve you. And I
Great,
love
great.
cooking because उधर भी टीचिंग के जैसे होता है ना, वो सब बराबर प्रिसिशन होनी चाहिए. फिर उसका टैलिंग ऑफ द स्वाद वगैरह वगैरह सब वो भी बराबर होना चाहिए. वो भी एक किस्म के एजुकेशन के रिलेटेड ही है. हर चीज बराबर होगी तो ही आपको जो खाते हैं बराबर मिलेगा ना. वगैरह तुलना उधर भी लगता है ना.
I would actually love to come and have a great lunch with you, ma'am. It will be an honor for me too.
Sure, I'll be honored to have you.
So, ma'am, cooking, you like cooking, right? So, what nutritional things you'd like to tell our viewers for the children, like some interesting thing they can bring in tiffin daily, which would keep the children's nutrition up?
Roti sabji roll.
Roti
Like that
sabji roll.
Frankie, no? Frankie
Yeah.
जो रहती है, उन लोग को just put all vegetables in that and roll it up and give them that roti. लेकिन उसका भी खाने का एक तरीका होता है. मैं चाहती हूँ रोटी सब्जी डालो उसके अंदर, उसको अच्छी तरह से फ्रैंकी के जैसे बना लो, and then you cut it into, ऐसे काटो उसको, and then the child has to hold it like this and eat it. That should be the way to eat. There is a way. I always tell my children here, everybody has to bring a napkin. First they will put the napkin, on that they will keep their tiffin box. फिर वो रोटी के मम्मी पापा ने जो भेजी है रोटी सब्जी रोल, उसको वो लोग को, मैं पेरेंट्स को बोलती हूँ आप लोग कट करके भेजो उसको, ताकि वो स्प्रिंग रोल जो रहता है ना वैसे
Yeah.
खा सके. उसको थोड़ा बहुत डेकोरेट करो and just give it to them. And एक fruit कौन सा तो भी, one fruit. That is the most delicious meal I feel.
Great recipe now we have with us.
Yeah.
And so this brings to us to the last segment of the conversation, and that is the question of the day, ma'am.
Okay.
So this is like, as you said that you have been teaching since past 28, more than 25 years, I guess. So, ma'am,
Nearly 30. Yeah.
sorry,
Nearly 30 years.
nearly 30 years, so almost 3 decades. So
Yes, yes.
you have seen like the mobile generation and the non-mobile generation also.
Yes.
So what is this difference in between the past and present generation? What is thing you like about the past and you don't like about so-called pampered present generation?
What I love about the past is the respect they had for बड़ों के लिए, टीचर्स ही नहीं, हर बड़ों के लिए. लेकिन आज देखेंगे तो आप रिस्पेक्ट है नहीं. पहले मुझे याद था जब भी मैं फर्स्ट और सेकेंड और से 4-5 जो भी था, ये मोबाइल से पहले आने से पहले, एक हमारा कड़ू गिरता था ना, चौक गिरता था या डस्टर गिरता था, बच्चे लोग भाग के आते थे कि किसको वो कड़ू मिलेगी उठाने के लिए. and they would give teacher, teacher, teacher. But today, when I'm seeing anything is fallen down, the child will walk over it. That is my observation. And it hurts me. But anyway, इन लोग को भी सिखा देते हैं थोड़ा बहुत. वही मैं बोली ना आपको मस्ती की पाठशाला के थ्रू. I feel that more than, education, teaching them to read and write and everything is important. But उसके साथ साथ values भी सिखाने चाहिए. Values are not there anymore, sorry to say, but then we will teach them. So that is what I meant everything about 360-degree education. Holistic approach.
मैम आप एक अमेजिंग ऑथर हो.
Okay.
You have written so many 20+ books you have written. So
Yes,
मैम आप हमें कैसे गाइड कर सकते हो कि ये जो एक एंगल है ये हमें भी फील होता है कि आजकल के बच्चों में बड़ों के लिए वो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है.
नहीं है.
तो अब मतलब अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आप एक अगर जैसे एक गाइडेंस फॉर पेरेंट्स है कि आप घर पे अगर ये चीजें प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो ये बदलाव आएगा. तो वो क्या होगा कि हमें क्या प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए?
The first thing as a parent, what I would tell is suggestion was spend time with your child. The more you spend time with your child, लेकिन उस टाइम ना टीवी ऑन होनी चाहिए, ना आप लोग कोई भी पेरेंट फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप एंड व्हाटएवर इट इज जो भी है उसको सब बाजू में रखो. तभी आप लोग बैठ के साथ में बैठ के खाना खाओ.
गैजेट फ्री.
यस यस यस, वो सब चीजें दूर रखो. और उस टाइम शुड बी ओनली फैमिली टाइम. गाओ, अंतराक्षी, all those old things, no, bring it all and have a lovely family session. Play games, play carom, play chess, play ludo. Eat the I follow this, the family that eats, prays and plays together stays together, and more of values are learned. Everything, when before the child leaves to school, train your child, or you hug your child when the child is small, and gradually they will also start hugging you before going to school. Make time for your child. Come and drop your child to school. Sometimes all of you will go to a park rather than going to the mall. Go and see where there are some parks. Go there.
Connect to the nature, to the environment.
Yes. And then take them for field trips. Post of ये जरूरी नहीं है कि स्कूल नहीं लेके जाना चाहिए फील्ड ट्रिप्स के लिए. आप भी जा सकते हो. आज हम लोग फायर ब्रिगेड देखने चलते हैं. आज हम लोग पोस्ट ऑफिस देखने चलते हैं. आज हम वो सुपरमार्केट से वेजिटेबल खरीदने बजे आज बिग बाजार एंड ऑल दोस मॉल्स इन स्टफ गोइंग. आज हम लोग सब्जी मंडी में चलते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं हम लोग कैसे. दे लर्न फ्रॉम दैट. दैट इज व्हाट आई बिलीव, है ना.
Ma'am, it was absolutely delightful to have a conversation with you. I've learned so many things. So to all my viewers, a co-ed education is a better option. So if you're looking for a better options, then always opt for co-ed. Play, eat, pray together to make your child a better human. Then believe in 360 approach as Srimati L.B. Joshi Junior High School and English High School and Junior College believes. A 360-degree approach for child's development is best. So Maria ma'am is an author, she's a teacher, and now as you all know her, she carries a vision to make your children leaders of tomorrow. On this note, we would like to thank ma'am. Thank you so much. We are absolutely delighted for an engaging conversation with you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Same here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.